guys know I'm obsessed with flour powder food coloring lately. I don't know if you saw my recent crepe cake, the butterfly pea flour crepe cake that I just did about a week ago. So yeah, that's that one here, but I also had the hibiscus flower. This one was the wolfberry powder, which is super purple and beautiful, but then it came out totally white, so I have to tweak my colors there. This one is carrot powder, which is totally cool, so all natural food colors. So anyway, this will be coming soon, because Easter is in 5 minutes, and I didn't realize it was so early this year. And I'm like, I have nothing done. Well, that's not true. I did the crepe cake, which is beautiful for Easter. But anyway, I've got these cheesecakes coming.
And here they are. The mini cheesecake spring collection is here. So let's get right to making them since they are so easy. I know you're going to want to make them too. I'm using some crushed up cookies with melted vegan butter for the crust, and obviously I'm baking them in this miniature cheesecake pan this time, and I'm pressing about a tablespoon of that crust mixture into the bottoms. And then my famous New York style baked vegan cheesecake batter is the launching pad for these awesome colors and flavors. My vegan cheesecake batter does not get any easier since I'm just throwing everything into the food processor and whizzing it up smooth. This time, though, I've left out some of the plant milk because I found it much better to dissolve the flour powders into a liquid rather than mix it directly into the batter like I did on my first try, which just was like this super speckly batter and really hard to mix in. Not to mention, I used way too much powder that first time, and I didn't realize that flour powder food color intensifies like a zillion times in the oven. So I had these incredibly vibrantly dark colored cheesecakes, which wasn't terrible. They were actually really beautiful, but I wanted pastels for Easter this year. So anyway, the second go around with this recipe to perfect it with the amounts that are listed on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. So you're definitely going to want to go check out that recipe. But, by the way, if you don't want to buy the flour powder food colors, I totally get it. They are quite expensive, but a little does go a long way. But otherwise, just use whatever food color that you like or leave them natural. Okay, so yeah, let's bake them in a water bath, and I've sort of rigged up this way of setting up my pan over the top of a water bath rather than submerging it in, and into a preheated 350-degree oven they go for just about 30 minutes for these little ones. In the meantime, I've made these little white chocolate coconut nests to go on top of a few, and by mixing unsweetened coconut with some vegan white chocolate, I just kind of stuffed them into a mini muffin mold, and I've got instant bird's nests that are actually pretty tasty. Now, I do use Little Secrets chocolate candies for the eggs to go inside my nests, also not sponsored, but these candies are vegan and really delicious. They're just kind of like M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, and by soaking them for a few seconds in some cold water, I get off that neon color that they start out as for a way prettier, delicate speckle egg. Alright, so these mini cheesecakes cool really quickly in the refrigerator and can be unmolded the same day. Seriously, you guys, these are so easy to make. I really do hope you're going to try them. But miniatures or not, you can make this cake into a full-size family-style cheesecake if you wanted. But either way, if you haven't tried my New York style cheesecake recipe yet, you are missing out on life itself. So go grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com. But before you go, I hope you'll thumb up this video. Subscribe here to my channel. I've got so much more coming out this week and next week too. And I'm already working on Mother's Day cakes, so yeah, you kind of want to be here with me. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I have to give a great big special thank you to my patrons in Patreon and my pals in PayPal. These are the peeps who are making all of this possible. Their unbelievable generosity through monthly donations is what's keeping me able to buy more ingredients, to test more recipes, so that you can all get no-fail results every time. So yeah, let's give a great big thank you to everyone supporting this channel, and if you think you can help for as little as $3 a month, click the links below to find out how. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.